Well, that's cool. What the hell? I have no idea, but here they come. Check them out. They're cruising. They all matching. They're matching. Huh. They're just flying up the river. That one. They're doing a loop. There he's coming back by. I waved at him. Look, that one's coming back by. He's gonna do a loop. I saw him waving. Look at that. That's kind of cool. He's gonna do a flyover. That is so cool, man. That's neat. I'm waving at him. Yeah, that was an intentional flyover there. See the other? Oh, they're doing a circle back. Okay. I don't know. I thought he was circling around me just because I waved at him. But those others circle back too. That is neat. That is neat. As I was steering around 100 miles, I wouldn't be out here doing this if we had a large tow or if the river was running. It's really dead slack down here, so it's not much of an issue. It's actually very it's dead slack water. See. They come around the turn. That was neat. That was neat.